Namaste and welcome to my channel. The topic of this video is Dhaka Metro Rail. Dhaka Metro, also known as the Dhaka Metro Rail, is an approved mass rapid transit system under construction in Dhaka, the capital and the busiest city of Bangladesh. Together with a separate light rapid transit system, it has been long called for to ease the extreme traffic jams and congestion that occur throughout the entire city daily, one of the heaviest in the world. It is a part of the 20-year-long strategic transport plan outlined by the Dhaka Transport Coordination Authority, a government agency. In an effort to implement Dhaka's 20-year-long strategic transport plan, the Bangladeshi government invited Japan International Cooperation Agency or the JICA to conduct a primary survey and feasibility study on the transport system of Dhaka in 2009-10. In 2012, the government's Executive Committee of National Economic Council approved the project. A loan agreement between the Bangladeshi government and the JICA was signed in January 2013. Dhaka Mass Transit Company Limited, or the DMTC, the agency responsible for the implementation of the first metro line, which is the Mass Rapid Transit Line 6 or the MRT Line 6, was formed in January 2013. The general consultant, namely the NKDM Association, commenced work beginning in February 2014. In June 2013, Dhaka Mass Transit Company Limited was established by the government of Bangladesh to implement the metro rail lines across the city. The metro lines under construction or planned in Dhaka city are Mass Rapid Transit System 1 or the MRT-1. The Mass Rapid Transit System 1 is divided into two routes. The two routes are Mass Rapid Transit 1 Airport Route and the Mass Rapid Transit 1 Purbachal Route. Construction of 19.872 km long underground line MRT Line 1 Airport Route is set to begin at the end of 2022, costing $6.1 billion. It will start from Shah Jalal International Airport and stop at Kamalapur Railway Station. Line will have 12 underground stations. Stations will be constructed at Shah Jalal International Airport, Shah Jalal International Airport Terminal 3, Khilket, Jamuna Future Park, Notun Bazar, Uttar Badda, Hatirjil East, Rampura, Malibag, Rajarbagh and Kamalapur Railway Station. The Mass Rapid Transit Line 1 will have interchange of Mass Rapid Transit Line 6, Mass Rapid Transit Line 2 and Mass Rapid Transit Line 4 at Kamalapur Railway Station. The government of Bangladesh will provide $1.5 billion, while the Japan International Cooperation Agency will fund $4.6 billion. Mass Rapid Transit Line 1 Purbachal route will be 11.369 km long and it will have stations at Notun Bazar, Jamuna Future Park, Bashundara, Police Officers Housing Society, Mastul, Purbachal West, Purbachal Center, Purbachal Sector 7 and Purbachal Depot. Of these stations, Notun Bazar and Jamuna Future Park would be underground as a part of airport route. The second line will be the Mass Rapid Transit 2 or the MRT-2. The MRT-2 will connect Gyabatali with Chattogram via Bosila, Jigotala, Science Lab, Azimpur, Shahid Minar, Golab Mazar, Motijil, Mugda and Demra. This line will have a length of 24 km. The route will have a depot at Hemayatpur. MRT-2 will have a total of 22 stations and is expected to be completed by the year 2030. The third line will be the Mass Rapid Transit 4 or the MRT-4. The MRT Line 4 will connect Kamalapur Railway Station with Narayanganj with underground lines. MRT-4 route will have 15 stations and will be 16 km in length. This route is expected to be completed by the year 2030. The fourth route will be the Mass Rapid Transit 5 Northern Route or the MRT 5 Northern Route. Construction of MRT Line 5 Northern Route will begin from June 2023. MRT Line 5 Northern Route will start from Himayatpur of Savar Upazila and end at Bhatara, costing $4.85 billion. It is expected to be 20 km long in total. Northern route will be 13.5 km underground and 6.5 km elevated. It will have 14 stations, out of them 9 stations will be underground. MRT Line 5 Northern route will have depot at Himayatpur of Savar Upazila. This route is expected to be completed by the year 2028. The fifth line is the Mass Rapid Transit 5 Southern Route or the MRT 5 Southern Route. MRT Line 5 Southern Route, which is about 17.4 km long, is expected to commence within 2027. It stretches from Gyabatali to Dasharkandi. This route will pass through Technical Circle, College Gate, Russell Square, Tejgaon, Aftabnagar West, Aftabnagar Center and Aftabnagar East. MRT 5 Southern Route will have a depot at Dasharkandi. Interchanges to other lines are possible at Gyabatali to MRT 5 Northern Route. MRT 5 Southern Route will be 17.4 km long and is expected to be completed by the year 2030. The sixth and the last line is the Mass Rapid Transit 6 or the MRT 6. The MRT 6 is a line which is currently under construction and is divided into two phases. Phase 1 will connect Uttara North with Agargaon via Uttara Center, Uttara South, Pallabi, Mirpur 11, Mirpur 10, Kazipara and Shevrapara. Phase 1 will have 9 stations and will be 11.73 km long. As of February 2022, progress of the first phase is about 90.08%. Phase 1 of MRT 6 is expected to be completed by December 2022, whereas Phase 2 of MRT 6 will connect Vijay Sarani with Motijil via Farmgate, Kavran Bazar, Shahbag, Dhaka University and Bangladesh Secretariat. Phase 2 will have 7 stations and will be 8.37 km long. Second phase, physical progress stand at 73.08%. Phase 2 of MRT 6 is expected to be completed by late 2023 or early 2024. MRT 6 will have a depot at Uttara Terminal. The MRT Line 6 will cost $2.8 billion. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.